Hey guys, good morning. Happy Friday. It is the 23rd of September. Pay attention, I am not a financial advisor. Make your own trading decisions. First off, I'd like to start out with mention Puerto Rico. Thoughts and prayers to them, fellow Americans there dealing with the Hurricane Fiona aftermath. Hopefully they can get things repaired expeditiously and move forward. All right, FOMC happened Wednesday. Kind of shocked the market. Fed was a little bit more hawkish than what the market was expected. So we've seen some downward pressure ever since then. Last night, Goldman Sachs dropped this is huge. They dropped their end of year forecast for S&P 500 to 3,600. That is below where we are at right now. And the reason why that's huge is I've heard so many analysts say, hey, we're going to rally. We're probably going to rally into the end of the year after the election. So if we're going to rally at the end of the year, that means we've got downside. I don't know, just saying. Who knows, though? I can't predict the future, so I have no idea. All right, Dixie. Dixie really rallied overnight. I did expand out this previous channel to include this peak and that peak before it was tighter, and we were exiting that, so right now, I think this is a more legit channel, and the top side on this is around the 113.10 to 113.50, depending on how long it takes price action to get there. If it actually goes to touch this, which it may. Yields are ripping higher right now. The 2-year. It tested and was rejected from this level, 4.226, which is expected. Failed the first touch. Might come back and retest and break this level in the near future. The 10s also, it broke the next highest level. It tested it yesterday and rejected off. Broke it earlier today. And that level is 3.737. The next untested level above is 3.990. I am going to have to throw some more lines on this chart, it looks like, because, well, hopefully I don't, because we don't. If 10-year gets above 4, that might be ugly for equities. So hopefully it doesn't get that high, but we'll see. Who knows? Who knows right now? Oil is getting some serious selling pressure right now, probably due to recessionary fears. Normally demand is lower in recessionary periods, so I think that's weighing on oil right now. But it has broken, for now, this 80.62. Technically, it's not broken yet. We need to see a confirmation close of a candle or two below it. And really, to give up this level, you'd like to see it touch this level here. But anyway, we'll see how that goes. I was kind of waiting on this to break either way. I'm not too keen on buying puts on oil companies right now. I was really hoping it would break upward and do some longer term calls, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen in the near future. Maybe it will. Who knows? Any bit of news could send this thing skyrocketing. But oil companies are still profitable, very profitable in this range where oil's at right now. And in addition, the Biden administration said they're going to start filling the SPR under 80. So, they're probably going to start buying here. So that might stop this downward pressure if they do what they say they're going to do. So who knows? We'll see. Yields. Let's check out Ethereum real quick for you folks that are trading that. Let me go to the other chart. I've got a cleaner version I updated this morning that's not from using this trend line, started from this uptrend here. So Ethereum is kind of holding. There's two possible trend lines. This one is definitely more significant. The level you'd like to see hold is 1237.32. Looks like it's breaking this trend line now, or at least testing it. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA tried to fill this gap during the FOMC meeting, and then the rest of the market sank. So it's been seeing some selling pressure also. The next level I'm looking at for NVIDIA is this 115.49. That is a monthly level. Price was held back in the 1st of March 2021 on this big downward pressure and then ripped higher. So if you're watching NVIDIA, that might be a level you may be interested in. AMD. Let's go back to this chart here. AMD has broken these monthly levels here. So here's the monthly chart. So this chart doesn't look good if you're long. So I should have played this one. I got the alert yesterday, and I was already in some SPY puts, so I didn't play this one. But man, that would have been a good play from a break here, 70 down to 67. Man. Let's see, Microsoft. Let's look at Microsoft real quick. I don't want to make this too long. Microsoft, it also broke below this level. Next major untested level that I'm looking at is 235.10, and then 227.27 is a weekly level. This is a monthly level. Salesforce also looking pretty weak right now. The whole market, let's see, the whole market is down over 1%, 1.75% right now. Tesla is testing this trend line support I talked about yesterday and I believe the day before. So we'll see if this holds. If it doesn't hold the levels I'm looking at, you've got a gap here, 250 to 254. And then this 266.15 is a weekly level that hasn't been tested yet. So those are the levels I'd be watching. Once again, it could coil back up and retest this 31467, and then stay in this pattern. But with the market pressure we're seeing right now, who knows where this thing's going to go. Oh, I did mean to mention diamonds. Did I mention diamonds? So diamonds, very close to its lows. And diamond, the DIA, aka the diamonds, is it's the Dow Jones tradable ETF. So the Dow Jones is very close to its June lows right now. If that triggers, it may cause the other indices to start rolling over as well. So definitely keep an eye on that. The small caps had a rough day yesterday. They were down more than the other indices. So right now it's giving up this level and this daily level here. So next levels I'm looking at on the small cap ETF, 167.02 and 16673. So those are the two levels that I would be watching. Let's see here. Google is in the gap right now. There's a gap. I think I posted this on Omni yesterday. There's a pretty decent gap right here that was created back in February of 21. So this is currently in the process of trying to fill. So keep an eye on these levels here, 100.10 and 97.79. All right, this video is a little long. See if I covered everything. I think so. So if you guys have any questions, hit me up on Omni, and I'll answer them. Have a good day and happy trading.